Hi, today I'm going to show you how to solve problem 21 from the 2018 Math Kangaroo, grades 5 to 6. Here's the problem. From the following numbers, 3, 5, 2, 6, 1, 4, and 7, Masha chose 3 numbers with a sum of 8. From the same list, Dasha chose 3 numbers with a sum of 7. How many of the numbers chosen by both girls are the same? So if we look at these numbers, we can try to figure out what the numbers each girl chose were. So if we start with Dasha, 7 is a pretty small number. So it seems like the 3 numbers might be fairly small. So if we look at the three smallest numbers in this group, they are 1, 2, and 3. So the smallest possible sum that anyone looking at 3 numbers could get would be 1 plus 2 plus 3, which is 6. And 7 is only 1 more than 6. So to get 7, we would have to add 1 to one of these numbers. We'd have to add 1 to this, and to make it a sum of 3 numbers, we would just add 1 to one of these 3 numbers. And so also the numbers are different. The numbers in this list don't repeat. So if we add 1 to 1, well, then we'd have 2 2s. If we add 1 to 3, there'd be 2 3s. So we have to add the 1 to the 4. And so the numbers are 1, 2, and 4. That gives us a sum of 7, and these are Dasha's numbers. Now we can look at Masha's numbers. 8 is 1 more than 7, so we would have to add 1 to one of these numbers to get 8. And if we add 1 to 1, then we'd have 2 2s, so we can't do that. But we do have 2 options here. We could have 1, 3, and 4, or 1, 2, and 5. And we do have all of these numbers in this list. So at first we might think it's impossible to determine because we don't know what Masha's numbers are. But in either case here, the 1 is in common. There's a 1 in common with Dasha's numbers. And if it's the first case, there's a 4 in common. And so there would be 2. And if it's the second case, there's also 2 because there's no 4, but there is a 2. It's in common. So no matter what Masha's numbers are, there's 2 choices, and in either of those choices, there's 2 numbers in common. So the answer is C. Thank you.